Established in 2014, Hafond Co. Limited is a trusted LED display manufacturer based in Shenzhen, China. With nearly a decade of expertise, we deliver innovative display solutions that inspire and connect people worldwide. Our factory is equipped with advanced production lines and a professional team of over 70 dedicated employees. In our SMT workshop alone, we achieve a production capacity of 2,000 to 6,000 lead module per day, ensuring efficiency and consistency at every stage. From R&D to assembly and strict quality testing, every display is built with precision and reliability. Hafond offers a full range of LED products, including indoor and outdoor fixed installations, as well as rental LED displays. Our solutions are widely used in advertising media, shopping malls, stage performances, sports venues, and municipal projects. With a strong international presence, our products are exported to more than 20 countries, including the United States, Canada, France, Russia, Turkey, Dubai, Brazil, Chile, India, and across Southeast Asia. Many of our clients have partnered with us for years, trusting Hafond for quality, reliability, and service. At Hafond, we believe in lighting up the world with creativity and technology. Hafond Co. Limited, your reliable partner for LED display innovation.